Hey guys, this is Riya. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, how are you all? I hope you are good and sane and doing good. So today's topic is all about some jugads we do in our daily lives. So yes, but before moving further, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon for the quick updates. So yes guys, please ignore the fans, boys, as you know I have no AC in my room and it's very hot, you can already see. So yes, please ignore it and I hope you can hear me. Today I will be talking about some jugad I have done for my dressing table and we will organize it. So yes, get ready for that. And frankly speaking, I don't have a proper dressing table in my room, so I just keep on doing DIYs and jugads and all that stuff, so I don't get bored with the stuff and the arrangements in my room. So yes, you will be watching what I do and how I do with me today. I often do this to my room cause you know, it gives me some kind of happiness and positive vibes, cause no one likes the same thing for very much long time. So it's necessary for, you know, detoxifying our minds and our eyes and yes, like सबको कुछ ना कुछ चेंज पसंद होता है ना लाइफ में. लाइक मुझे नहीं पसंद अगर मैं एक ही एक चीज़ ना रोज़ रोज़ मुझे देखनी पड़े. तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, मैं रूम में लाइक कुछ ना कुछ इधर से उधर करती रहती हूँ एंड आई फील हैप्पीनेस इन दैट. आई you know, like that very positive vibes in that, and that's cool, right? Like you should find happiness in small stuff. So yes, this one gives me a lot of happiness. So guys, I was planning this shoot long ago and today I'm finally shooting it. So yes, there's a lot of hard work in that, and if you guys like it, then review it and comment down below. Thank you. So guys, you can see the mess. It's unavoidable when you try to organize things, whether it's life or some material stuff, right? So guys, I have made some beforehand preparations cause there was so much of dust everywhere and I don't know where this dust comes from, cause my windows are always closed. Still, why? Do you know the answer? Comment down. So yes guys, I will just put the before and after pic, and if you just want to see the before pic, yes, you can see, and like we are just ready to start the video. So let's get into the video. So yes, let's get the organizing process started. This was it. Indeed, it was a short video, but as I have talked with you guys and told you guys or discussed it with you guys, there is a detailed video of decluttering my room and organizing all each and every stuff in my room is on the way. I'm planning on it, but this was a small video of me organizing my dressing table. So yes, guys, this was it. Thank you for watching the video and have really worked hard on this. ये ना बहुत ही छोटा सा वीडियो है, but you know I am like there's so much negativity all around these days. Still I have managed to do this one. I have worked really hard for this video, guys, so keep supporting.